Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by initializing the project and securing your API key. That key lets the browser load live map tiles and geocoding. Once done, create a Python virtual environment and pip install Folium, Flask, GeoPy, and requests so you have both server and mapping tools. Next, scaffold a simple Flask app and an HTML file containing a map container div. Make sure your Google Maps API key is injected safely into the template rather than hard-coded into client scripts. Now implement the live feed. Create a Flask route that serves JSON coordinates or uses server-sent events for push updates. In Python, collect positions, whether from GPS hardware, a socket, or a simulated generator, and normalize to latitude/longitude with GeoPy if needed. On the client side, write JavaScript to poll your endpoint or listen to SSE. Then add or move a Google Maps marker, and pan or cluster intelligently so the viewer sees updates without reloading the page. To finish, switch your development server to HTTPS and tighten Google API referrer restrictions so your key isn't abused. This also prevents mixed content blocking. Once deployed, test end-to-end latency and tune your update frequency to avoid hitting quota limits. Lowering frequency reduces costs and errors. If something breaks, inspect the browser console for CORS or API error messages and verify the key is valid. Restart the Flask service and simulate a known coordinate to confirm the full pipeline.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.